Hello guys, so in this video I will teach you how to hop up shipment containers from entrance. So first of all you have to stand on the edge, okay? This is the first priority. And secondly, you're gonna move your joystick bit left, not like this or like that, okay? This is wrong. Stand on the edge, move your joystick bit left and look outside and flick towards the container at the same time. One more time. See how easy it is. Oh no. Now I am going to tell you the reason why we should move our joystick bit left, okay? So first of all, this top of the container, this is the obstacle, okay? So when your head collide with this, okay, so you basically can't able to climb. This is the fact, okay? And many players, they just do this, okay? Or else they just come outside, okay? So this is wrong. You have to stand like this, okay? Move your joystick bit left and towards the container, okay? See. Now there is one more way, okay, you can see in this clip. So what I am doing is I am swiping my joystick backwards, okay, and looking upward and then climbing up. I keep spamming my jump, remember that.